In a world filled with dreams and aspirations, there's a common problem that often holds us back from achieving our goals. Picture this. You've set ambitious targets, diligently made plans, and even visualized success in your mind. Yet somehow, you find yourself stuck, unable to make significant progress. What if I told you that there's a hidden force lurking in the depths of your mind that has the power to shape your reality? A force that can either propel you toward success or keep you trapped in a cycle of mediocrity. The mirror effect is a phenomenon that reveals how our emotions and attitudes play a pivotal role in achieving our goals. Just like a mirror reflects our image, our inner world reflects back at us in the form of the external world. Your emotions, positive or negative, act as a magnetic force, attracting circumstances and opportunities that align with your inner state. But here's the twist. Have you ever noticed the profound influence your emotions have on your financial attitudes and success? That's right. The way you think and feel about money can either be a catalyst for abundance or a barrier to financial prosperity. In this captivating video, we will dive deep into the intricate relationship between emotions and financial attitudes. We'll uncover the subconscious patterns and beliefs that may be holding you back from financial success. But we can't do this without you, our valued viewers. Your support means the world to us. If you find value in this video, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our future content dedicated to exploring the fascinating world of mindset, emotions, and success. All right, let's begin. Deep within the ancient sands of Egypt, a civilization emerged with profound wisdom and incredible achievements. The fascinating world of the Egyptians holds a secret, a practice known as the mirror effect, used for centuries to unlock the power of manifestation and achieve their most coveted goals. The Egyptians understood that the universe is a reflection of our deepest thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. They believed that by using the mirror effect, they could harness this universal law to shape their reality and manifest their desires. The mirror effect in ancient Egypt was not just a mere reflection in physical mirrors, but a profound understanding of the inner mirror, the mirror of the mind and the soul. They knew that to achieve their goals, they had to first cultivate the right thoughts, emotions, and attitudes within themselves. The process was meticulously crafted, involving rituals, symbols, and incantations. The Egyptians would meditate upon their desires, vividly visualizing their goals as already achieved. They would imbue these visualizations with intense emotions, believing that the universe would mirror back their emotional state and align circumstances to match their desires. Through the mirror effect, they tapped into the unseen forces of the universe, creating a harmonious resonance between their inner world and the external reality. It was an alchemical dance where intentions blended with emotions, transforming dreams into tangible manifestations. Just like a mirror reflects our physical appearance, our personality serves as a reflection of our inner world. Our emotions and attitudes form the building blocks of our personality, shaping how we perceive ourselves and the world around us. It is through this lens of personality that we navigate our lives and manifest our desires. Now let's dive deeper into the equation. Emotion, the vibrant energy of our feelings, holds a profound significance in our journey toward success. It is an association held with something, encapsulating the depth of our experiences and desires. Emotion fuels our action, propelling us forward despite setbacks and hardships that we might encounter along the way. Our attitudes, on the other hand, represent the mindset and beliefs we hold. They reflect our thoughts, values, and perspectives on life. Attitudes are the filters through which we interpret the world, shaping our interactions and influencing our decisions. When we combine the power of emotion and attitude, we unlock the potential of the mirror effect equation. Our personality becomes the reflection of our inner reality onto the canvas of our external experience. If we cultivate positive emotions and adopt empowering attitudes, we lay the foundation for a reality filled with abundance, success, and fulfillment. Emotions, those powerful currents that flow through our beings, play a significant role in shaping our attitudes and ultimately our financial success. Let's explore how our emotions influence our financial attitudes and the outcomes we experience in life. From the moment we come into this world, we begin to form our perceptions about money, success, and abundance. Our early experiences and the emotions associated with them leave lasting imprints on our subconscious minds. If we grew up in an environment where money was scarce and constantly associated with stress or lack, our emotions around money may become negative. As we mature, these deep-rooted emotions shape our attitudes, influencing how we approach financial decisions and opportunities. Imagine growing up in a household where conversations about money were always tense and accompanied by anxious expressions. As a child, this created a strong association between money and stress. Over time, this emotional connection may manifest as a negative attitude towards money, causing hesitation, fear, or even a belief that financial success is unattainable. Often, negative financial attitudes are passed down through generations, creating a cycle of financial struggles and limitations. If we have inherited negative beliefs about money from our parents or ancestors, it becomes critical to examine and challenge these beliefs to break free from the cycle. Consider a family where the generations before them have always lived paycheck to paycheck. The underlying beliefs and emotions surrounding money, such as the scarcity mindset, lack of opportunities, or fear of taking risks, can become deeply ingrained. As each generation inherits these attitudes, it becomes challenging to break free from the cycle unless conscious effort is made to reshape their financial mindset. The law of perpetual energy transmutation reminds us that our emotions and beliefs hold more power than mere desires. Our emotional state serves as a magnet, attracting circumstances and opportunities that align with our inner world. This means that if we want to achieve financial success, it is essential to cultivate positive emotions, beliefs, and attitudes. Our subconscious mind holds vast influence over our actions and decisions, even when we are unaware of it. If our subconscious holds limiting beliefs or fears related to money and success, it can create invisible barriers that hinder our progress and keep us from achieving our desired outcomes. Let's say someone consciously desires to start their own business and achieve financial independence. However, deep down, their subconscious carries underlying beliefs like "I don't deserve success" or "I'm not capable of managing money." These limiting beliefs can sabotage their efforts, creating self-doubt and preventing them from taking the necessary steps towards their desired outcome. And that brings us to the end of our enlightening journey into the influence of emotions on our financial attitudes and success. Take control of your emotions by recognizing them and understanding they don't define you. Your emotions are powerful, but they do not define your true essence. By acknowledging and understanding your emotions, you can step into a place of empowerment and make conscious choices that align with your desired reality. Be mindful of how negative thoughts can distort the reflection of reality. Negative thoughts have a way of distorting how we perceive the world and the opportunities it presents. By being mindful of these negative thought patterns, you can challenge and replace them with positive, empowering beliefs, thereby reflecting a more abundant and prosperous reality. If you resonated with the insights we shared today, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll be notified of future videos that dive deeper into the realms of manifestation, personal growth, and success. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please share them in the comments section below. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about embracing their true potential and manifesting their dreams. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power of manifestation and stay committed to your dreams. You have the power within you to shape your reality and create a life beyond your wildest imagination.